A Bengaluru-based aerospace startup is aiming to rewrite the physics of aerial delivery. Airbound has closed a $37 million Series A round led by Green Oaks, featuring participation from DoorDash Labs, Lackey Groom, Lightspeed, and Humba Ventures. Well, this brings its total raised capital to nearly $50 million, founded by Naman Pushp. In March of 2023, the startup is tackling the core inefficiency of conventional drones, where most of the aircraft's weight is actually spent carrying itself rather than the cargo, which is a tragedy. Airbound's V1 model is a blended wing body tail sitter that takes off vertically like a multi-rotor and cruises on fixed wings, weighing just 1.5 kilograms with a pre-assembly airframe of 130 grams. The aircraft carries a 1 kilogram payload. Therefore, it achieves a payload to aircraft ratio 3 times better than the 4:1 industry standard. Now, using its in-house Rudra ground control system, a single operator can manage 100 or more aircraft simultaneously with real-time automated deconfliction. Airbound's technology has already been field tested through healthcare logistics. Partnering with Narayana Health, Airbound completed over 1,000 autonomous diagnostic sample transfers with 0 failures, mind you, which is quite an amazing achievement. It is, of course, running 10 daily round trips on a 4-kilometer corridor between Chandrapura Clinic and Narayana Health City in Electronic City. Well, the drone service proved so reliable that Narayana Health permanently cancelled ground transfers on the route within 1 week of launch, while a second corridor connecting Banashankari to Electronic City is currently under development. And to be honest, Naman would be so proud, because I remember when he had done an exclusive conversation with us right here on Front Page, that was the time when the partnership and the collaboration had just come about as far as Narayana Health is concerned. And well, he was so looking forward to this. And today, I'm sure it would be such a proud moment for the entire team at Airbound. And of course, Naman, if you're watching this, a big congratulations. Only onwards and upwards is the route for you. And now, of course, back to the story. Now, of course, Airbound is scaling up commercial operations through a major agreement with the Andhra Pradesh government. The partnership will deploy an interconnected aerial network across 3 districts connecting Amravati, Vijayawada, and Guntur. Now, this is going to support retail, e-commerce, and medical deliveries, scaling to 10,000 flights per day. Now, to supply the network, Airbound has expanded production from 2 aircrafts per month to 2 per day. Wow! That's acceleration. Targeting a manufacturing output of 20 aircrafts daily. As CEO, Naman Pushp noted, the 10-minute delivery benchmark at low cost makes India actually the toughest market on the planet, and rightly so. Which actually also goes on to mean that a system that can succeed here can actually scale anywhere globally. Yes, which then brings us to the front page take. But before we get into the details of the front page take, IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which is India's biggest AI summit and expo. And if you haven't said hello to Bob as yet, please do. Yes, because IBM Bob is the AI development partner that you need, helping developers turn bold ideas into real-world solutions, and that too at lightning speed. From code to deployment, you can build smarter and go beyond the vibe with IBM Bob. And when Bob looks like that, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's very easy to do. And now, of course, back to the front page thing. Now, Airbound's $37 million Series A is, well, more than a venture capital win. Airbound is fundamentally attacking the legacy trade-off between delivery speed and logistics costs. Now, by designing ultra-light tail-sitter airframes that shift the payload ratio in favor of cargo, Airbound is proving that Indian deep tech can out-engineer global aviation incumbents. Proud moment. Scaling to 10,000 daily flights in Andhra Pradesh will be the ultimate test of whether autonomous aerial networks can replace ground transport for last-mile retail and healthcare. But the question I have for all of you is this: will statewide drone delivery corridors make traditional road-based last-mile logistics obsolete across India's urban and semi-urban hubs? And if so, how far do you think that day could be? And what would it mean for the middlemen in the logistical business? Another thing I'd like to go ahead and tickle your brain with. I remember again harking back to Naman's conversation where he had mentioned that it can seriously decongest traffic in the cities because also it takes away the warehousing which is right now in the city, or for that matter on the outskirts of the city. It can take it further away, which then allows the city to ply a lot more naturally and normally. What? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.